Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Stacy and I make videos on fashion, styling, and shopping, and today's video is going to be a Telfar unboxing. I think I'm going to do a little bit of a fashion talk as well because there's a lot to talk about, a lot going on in the world of fashion. I do want to touch upon this whole Chanel price increase. I'm pretty sure those of you in the bag world or on that side of YouTube, you guys understand that Chanel is having, I don't even know what today is. Is today the 4th, the 3rd, the 4th? I think on the 5th, on March 5th, they're doing another price increase on a lot of their core bags, not just these little auxiliary bags, their core bags. And I want to say on the classic flat, this is maybe within since last year or this time last year, this may be the 4th or 5th increase. It's ridiculous. But anyway, before I get into that, let's get into my outfit. This is an old cardigan from H&M. I've had this for a couple of years now. The shirt is new. I got the shirt from H&M. I don't really know. I think it was maybe $30. It's an oversized cotton shirt. I love animal print. I love leopard. So, I just decided to, tone it down a little bit with the cardigan. I just have on a pair of leggings, y'all. It's nothing serious. And I'll probably end up pairing it with either a pair of mules, or I might do my little chunky product Brogue shoes when I go out later on today, because I am leaving the house today. But anyway, so that's all that I have going on right now. My jewelry is from Ana Luisa, so let's get into it. Okay, so I secured these bags through the bag security program. I ordered this bag, or these two bags, because I have two. I ordered them on October 7th, and he said that they would be here in March. I say he, like he was talking to me personally. No, the bag security program is basically a system where you're able to sort of pre-order whatever color combo you want, and it'll be delivered by a certain period of time. Basically a way for you to sort of pre-order, so they'll kind of know how many bags to order. If you go ahead and pay for it up front, they can kind of get an idea and then order the materials or whatever to be able to make the bags. And so that's what I did, because I tried to buy Telfar bags in the past. I do have that one shearling covered one, but that one I was able to get because it didn't sell well, so they still had it on the site days, maybe even weeks later. But for me, I was been trying to get one of these faux leather bags forever, and I don't know, it just seems whenever I would get on the site, they have some type of weird system. I'm used to the letters where you have to put in the number letter combo in order to prove that you're not a robot. But this one was something a little bit different, and then I thought, well, maybe it was on my phone, so I tried it on the desktop, and it just didn't work. So I'm just you know what, I was not gonna go through that process again because it was very frustrating. I don't know, you guys leave in the comment section if you know what I'm talking about, but it was just a really weird thing. But anyway, so I got the email about the bag security program, and I want to say LVoe. I think she's the one that did it. I'll link her channel below, but if I'm not mistaken, if you watch this, let me know if it was you. But I think the reason why I even knew it was even a program to begin with was because I think she unboxed something that she got from the program. And I was like, oh, I didn't even know you could even do that. I didn't even know that was even a thing. But that's what happened, so I'm gonna unbox them right now. I have two. They came in this box here, so it's a very small box because, I'm pretty sure if you guys have seen these unboxings, you know that they do come flat. They're not a bag that has a lot of volume anyway. And I cannot wait. Even my boyfriend was like, I can't wait for you to get these bags, because he even knows how popular the bags are and how much I wanted them. So it comes with a little packing slip. I don't even remember which color I got. Okay, gold and yellow. Okay. So here it is. It comes with a dust bag. Again, here in these little plastic bags. And this one is the gold. And I picked gold because I wanted something with a little bit of and something that would go with everything. And I do like gold a lot, so I figured that would be very versatile. And it's more of a matte gold, I think, too. Yeah, it is. It's not super shiny or anything like that. But yeah, y'all. So I got the small version of this. I contemplated getting the medium one, but I just figured the medium one was a little bit too much like a tote to me. So I figured this would be better for my lifestyle. And you can still get a lot of things in here. Oh, this little thing comes here. It's like a little Velcro thing that kind of keeps it together. It's very well made. It looks like real leather, honestly. It really does. I don't know if I was expecting it not to be, but in person, I will say it does look better in person. So of course it comes with this little top handle here, but this is something that you would wear as a crossbody, you know, because you can't even really tuck in these straps. And the bag's not really big enough for that, so this is definitely something you'd wear as a crossbody item. And then comes with a little hang tag here that says Telfar established 2005. I've been around since 2005. I didn't know that. It has this little story patch here with the logo, and I think they have like the best logo. I've actually been looking for the oversized like earrings that are like hoops with the logo, but they only have the small ones. They haven't restocked the gold ones in a long time, but I think that's a good alternative to like the ones that Louis Vuitton does, because I really want those too, but I just can't pull the trigger. And these are way cheaper than those, so I'm like, oh, this could be a good alternative to that, because again, you still have the logo action, and essentially it's exactly the same thing. It's just it has this logo instead of the LV logo. But yeah, so let me see if I can. Let me get my phone so you can see what fits in here. Hold on one second. Okay, so I have my Hero bag from Coach. I have been carrying this bag nonstop. Like, this bag right here is everything. Like, if you guys haven't seen this, I will link the unboxing of this below. This is Chef's Kiss. I need another color. Like, I need another color, y'all. Oh, it's so good. It's so good. But anyway, so I have a ton of things in here. Like, I have stuffed this thing to the max, and it's still retaining its shape. Sorry, y'all, I have a cough today. I don't know why. Well, I have a cough because I still have like long COVID, but sometimes it's better than others, and today it's been a little bit challenging. The only thing I will say about this bag too, and I know I'm digressing, is that this thing came off here, and this is the second bag that I've had. It's only happened on two. Another bag, I think it may have been one of the puffy tabby bags, or pillow tabby bags. So luckily I still have it. This little thing here that like attaches the hang tag to the bag, that broke, so then this fell off, so I just have to get this one fixed. But I think Coach may have a slight issue when it comes to the quality of these things here. I don't think it's super strong because it's happened on two bags now of mine, but either way, I still love the bag. But I digress. So I have a lot of things in this bag. I mean, I have my little LV key fob. I have my wallet. That's like the biggest wallet that I have. Hand sanitizer, hand lotion, Tic Tacs, lip gloss. So it's not gonna fit all of that. Mask, I already know. But let's see if it fits my essentials. So, all right, here, it's folded up. Let's see if it fits my wallet. And I didn't even bring my phone. So there, my wallet's in here. My keys are in here. Now, if I carried this bag, I probably would carry a smaller wallet because I just would, to give me more space. Mask, hand sanitizer, lip gloss. Let's see. These are the essentials. Here It does not fit your phone. I was gonna go try and grab it, but it doesn't fit the phone, so don't even worry about it. If you have like the iPhone Pro Max, it does not fit. And here's a mask here. So it does fit everything that you would need, to be honest with you. The only thing that I would suggest is that I would probably get a different wallet. I would get one of those little card holders versus the full wallet that I have in here, and then you have much more room. But with the full wallet, this is what it looks like here, and you still have a little bit of room for something else too. If I want to throw in my little Tic Tacs in here, so it's actually quite roomy. And my little hand lotion here. You can do that, especially if you got another wallet, like if you got the card wallet. So yeah, so I mean, it fits. And honestly, this is probably what I'm taking today when I go run my errands today. But this is really, really cute. Here's a little bit of a mod shot here. This is kind of where it sits on me. And oh my God, it's so, I actually really like it. I actually really like it. I do. I think I really like this too. I like the size of it though, because I feel like it's actually perfect. And for me, I feel like I like bags I can kind of just get what I need and not have to do a whole bunch of digging. Because even though this bag here, I mean, you don't have to really do that with this bag, but it does fit more, so it's a lot deeper, so you do have to kind of take things out if you carry a bunch of things in there. And then because it's so big, you always tend to carry more things than you probably need because you have the room. But this one basically forces you to only carry what you need, you know, and I think I liked it about the bag. But yes, let's open up the orange one. Or was it yellow? It was yellow, y'all. It's been so long. I ordered this in October 7th, to be exact. I forgot, y'all, so please forgive me. But yeah, so y'all. Oh, she's a good yellow. Yes, red. I don't even think you guys are even seeing the let me take that off. Are y'all even seeing like the color, the true color of this? Because it's a little bit, I don't think you guys are seeing. It's actually brighter than what's coming on. I'll see if I can color correct it when I edit the video, but oh my God, this is really cute. I love it. I mean, I could even throw it on with this here. It kind of gives me a little bit of a pop here. Yeah, I like this. This is good quality. I don't know if I was thinking that because it was faux leather that it was gonna look a little bit cheaper than my taste, but that's not the case at all. Like, this is actually really good. This looks like real leather. This is a really good quality bag. And I am glad that I got the small one because I was really on the fence between getting this one and the medium one, but I was like, you know what? If anything, I can just get like a tote if I really do like this one and carry that as a tote, because I do use those whenever I go into the office. And I don't know when that much, but when I do, I usually always have a tote that I'll use, usually one of the Marc Jacobs totes. And I thought, okay, well, I'll rather that than buy like the medium one, because that one to me was a little bit more tote-ish, if y'all know what I mean, more tote-ish. But anyway, so let's talk about Chanel. But my review on this, I love these bags. I think it's great. Oh, the pricing on it, the small was $150. I think I'll put up on there what the cost of the other sizes are, but this one was $316 with tax. Anyway, y'all, it's whew. So the handbag world, especially the luxury handbag world, is going absolutely nuts. Because Chanel is doing another price increase. And I actually think I made a video about the price increase maybe sometime last year, I'm thinking. But yeah, they're in a tizzy, y'all. They are in a tizzy. And let me tell you something. You know, it's crazy, but I'm not mad at Chanel. And I'm not mad at Chanel because people are stupid enough to do it. And I'll include myself in that because I bought my bag last year. Now, what I will say is this. I was smart enough to buy it when I had, you know, a lot of extra funds that I was able to do something nice for myself. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to treat myself to this particular bag, you know, given that I'm in a financial position to do it. The bag was $6,800. I don't even know if I even told you guys how much that bag was, but if you have Chanel or you've bought Chanel, then you already know. That's the medium classic flap. It was $6,800. I bought this bag in April of 2021. April of 2021. It is March of 2022. Do you know that bag is going up to $9,000 either today or tomorrow? The bag is that same size. Not even a year later, is going up to $9,000. I paid $6,800 for it. I could sell my bag for more than I paid for it because I barely wear this brand new. So in a way, I guess I did myself a great service by buying the bag when I bought it, because I knew that if I wanted the bag, you might as well buy it as soon as you can, because I know that, you know, Chanel prices they go up every year. That's been a thing for, at this point, decades. Like, the bag has gone up significantly year after year, but this is insane. This bag has went up by $2,000 plus for the most part. Here's the thing. If y'all buy this bag for $9,000, now I was stupid. So I'm gonna put myself in that. I was really stupid for doing that because I don't wear the bag enough. But I will say this, I can sell that bag and get my money back at any given time at this point. So there's a little bit of security in that. And it's basically black. Everyone wants like the black bag. If y'all pay $9,000 for this bag, that bag is not even worth $5,000, let alone $9,000. Like, are you kidding me? And I'm not mad at Chanel because y'all gonna still pay for it. Like, that's the thing. Y'all will still pay for it. And at this point, I'm thinking about selling my bag. And I don't buy bags to sell. Because for me, you know, fashion is not about money. But you know what? Sometimes it is. Sometimes you have to consider the money and the financial implications of what you're actually buying. And I am really seriously considering selling it because now I just feel silly. Like, even though I didn't spend nearly $10,000 for the bag, I still feel like it was real overpriced. And just me even having it, I don't know. It's just something about it that just turns me completely off. So here's my thing. Chanel wouldn't continue to increase these prices if you guys stop buying the bags. And y'all are not gonna stop buying the bags, so I'm not sure why y'all continue to complain about it. And that's just kind of how I feel about it. No, those bags are not worth what they are not worth no, they're not even worth $5,000. I would say the Chanel bag, you know, a realistic, or I would say a fair price for that bag probably be around between $2,500 and $2,800. That's all that bag is worth. That bag is not worth $5,000. It's not worth $6,800. It's definitely not worth $9,000. By next year, that bag will be $10,000. So I might not sell it this year, but I might wait until it goes up a little bit more, and I might sell it. But I don't know if this is going to be a forever bag in my wardrobe because I'm just not that impressed with it anyway. And I just feel like at this point, now you're making it about money. If you keep raising the prices every few months, then how can it not be about money for me? Or for anybody at that, you know, for that matter. So I don't know why we're continuing to even entertain Chanel at this point. Like, what is wrong with us? I don't understand it. So that's really all I have to really say. I think I might do an official fashion talk about Hermes, and asking the question if Hermes was a status symbol. And my answer would be yes, but I did want to expand upon that particular opinion in another video, and I'll do that sometime soon. But anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the unboxing. Let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have gotten to 1,500 subscribers. Thank you so much for that. I hope you guys have a good weekend.